In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business address in Stripe. As a business owner, keeping your account information up to date is crucial, and I'm here to guide you through this process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to navigate over to your Stripe dashboard. The dashboard is your control center on Stripe, giving you access to all the financial data related to your transactions, balances, and, of course, your business information. Once you've logged into your account, look for the settings icon. You'll typically find this in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard. Click on it and a menu will appear, displaying a variety of options for managing your account settings. In this menu, you'll want to locate the section labeled Business under Account Settings. Selecting this will direct you to the area where all of your business details are conveniently stored and ready for any updates you might need to make. This section is vital because it houses critical information about your business, like your address, which you'll need to update today. Now, if you haven't set up your account details yet, this is a perfect opportunity to do so. You'll want to fill in all the necessary business details, including your address. Inputting this information is straightforward, but make sure you have the correct details ready to go. Accurate information is important as it ensures that your Stripe account reflects your business correctly and operates smoothly. After updating your business address, click the Continue button. This step is important because it allows you to move forward to additional details that may need your attention, such as bank account information. This seamless transition ensures that all your business information on Stripe is up to date. Pay careful attention to each piece of information you update to avoid any future interruptions in service or transactions. Once you've gone through the steps of inputting new details and verifying everything is accurate, you're ready for the final step. This involves clicking on Review and Submit. This step allows you to review all the information you've entered one last time to catch any errors or omissions. If everything looks good, submit the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your business address in Stripe. Keeping this information current ensures that all your transactions and business communications align with your actual business details. Regularly review your account information to make certain everything remains accurate and up to date. This diligence will go a long way in ensuring smooth operations for your business on Stripe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions about using Stripe, feel free to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tutorials.